Hello, today we will learn how to call different groups of people. Number 1. How do you call a group of people that work for the same company or at the same place of work? Staff. How do you call the group of actors of the same movie or play? Cast. And how do you call all the working members on the ship or plane? Crew. And a group of individuals that usually are playing on the same side with the same objectives. A team, a group of soldiers being commanded by a same lieutenant. Platoon. Now, how do you call a group of organized criminals? A gang. How do you call a group of people just gathered together? A crowd. And a large disorderly crowd? A mob. And a group of politicians that have been organized with similar intentions? A party. Now let's move to the group of animals. How do you call a group of cows, goats, or deer? A herd. How do you call a group of dogs or wolves? Pack of dogs, pack of wolves. A group of birds or sheep? A flock. A flock of birds, a flock of sheep. How do you call a group of bees or any flying insects? A swarm. A swarm of bees. And a group of fish? A shoal or a school of fish? And what about a group of lions? A pride of lions. Now, how do you call a group of things that belong together in some way? A set. For example, a set of underwear, a set of cutlery, a set of tools, and so on. Now, a mess of something, objects positioned on top one of another. It's a pile of socks, a pile of books, and so on. How do you call a group of things, similar things, fastened together or in the same group? It's a bunch. For example, a bunch of flowers, a bunch of bananas, a bunch of grapes, and so on. And this one is very interesting. How do you call a large amount of something that has been hidden or stored? A stash. For example, a stash of cash or a stash of weapons. And the last but not least, a group of ships. That's a fleet of ships. Follow for more.